Hey folks, VM Explorer here, and today we're looking at the ASUS Store FS6706T. As you can see, some of the specs here: quad-core processor, USB Gen 2, 3.2 Gen 2, NVMe, all types of other connections here, 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, which is kind of nice, and it's all in this nice little small form factor package. I plan to use this particular device for a Plex server. Though being all flash is kind of a waste for Plex, but it's what I have and what I plan to use it for. So we can see some of the specs here. You know, there's information on the CPU, different dimensions, the package contents, all the different buttons. This is all in the back of the box, right? So different software that comes with it and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and get it unboxed. All right, so I went ahead and just opened up the lid here, no big deal, and pulling off the foam reveals the actual unit. Now it's not too big, super lightweight, right? Not too terribly heavy. Let's go ahead and get it out of its package here. All right, there it goes right there. Open it up. Always fun to do one-handed, right? All right, here it comes. So we're seeing the front of the unit. We can see some USB ports popping up there, and also an HDMI sticker. Okay. Okay, we've got to go ahead and get the bottom off. Let's take a look at the back. In the back, we can see we've got our optical out, right? Your two USB ports, 2 by 2.5, an HDMI port, another high performance USB port, reset, and the DC in. On the bottom, no big deal, just a bunch of serial numbers, but this is really what we're looking for right here is this right here. So this is where all the NVMe storage will go in when we actually do the install. The rest of the box, no big deal. In here, you're just going to have a couple USB cords and an installation, quick installation, and in this box is just the power supply and the power cable. And folks, that's about it. I hope you enjoy this really quick video on this ASUS Store all flash device. Really looking forward to getting it all set up and getting it going with Plex and seeing how it performs. But once again, this is the ASUS Store, the FS6706T. Thank you very much, and don't forget to hit subscribe.